Begin by unboxing your Sceptre 27-inch curved monitor. You'll find several essential components that need to be identified before assembly. First, attach the circular base to the vertical stand neck. Use the provided screws to secure the connection, ensuring the base sits flush and stable on your desk surface. Next, mount the monitor to the stand using the Visa mounting system. Align the monitor's mounting points with the stand bracket, then insert screws in a cross pattern for even weight distribution. Finally, organize your cables for a clean setup. Route the power cable and display cables through the stand's built-in cable management channel. This keeps cables tidy and prevents desk clutter. Your Sceptre curved monitor is now fully assembled. The secure base provides stability, the Visa mount ensures proper support, and organized cables maintain a clean workspace. You're ready to power on and configure your display settings. First, connect the power adapter to your monitor and locate the power button. Most Sceptre curved monitors have the power button on the bottom right bezel of the display. Once powered on, access the on-screen display menu using the control buttons. These are typically located near the power button and allow you to navigate through various display settings. Set your display resolution to its native setting. Most Sceptre 27-inch curved monitors support either 1920 by 1080 Full HD or 2560 by 1440 Quad HD resolution, depending on your specific model. Configure the refresh rate to the maximum supported by your monitor. Sceptre curved monitors typically support refresh rates between 75 Hz and 165 Hz. Higher refresh rates provide smoother motion, especially beneficial for gaming. Adjust the color temperature between 6500 Kelvin and 9300 Kelvin based on your usage. Lower temperatures appear warmer and are better for evening use, while higher temperatures appear cooler and are ideal for daytime work. Finally, optimize brightness and contrast for your ambient lighting conditions. Use the calibration target to ensure all shades are visible and adjust settings until you achieve comfortable viewing without eye strain. Your Sceptre curved monitor is now properly configured for optimal viewing. These settings ensure the best visual experience whether you're working, gaming, or enjoying multimedia content.